see.
Let's take a thumbnail picture.
Why are we all doing the same pose?
Oh. We're cool. Okay. Hey guys.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Guys.
I am Mr. Bobvin or Malika, and I am
more Copy Callie or Kalila.
I am Crochet with K, aka K or Kahila.
And we have an announcement.
We are back after like 9 months of not posting on this channel. Is this thing crooked? First of all,
It's fine.
It's fine.
Fix it post production.
First of all, our channel, we wanted to start it, but it wasn't something that we were going to be consistent with.
Yeah, purposefully.
So that wasn't like, oh, we started filming and then we just
This
fell
is bothering
off.
me.
We just wanted to start and have a channel.
Yeah.
bruh. Is it crooked?
No.
I swear
It is, but it's fine.
Oh, bro. So much better. Jeez, I knew it. I was going crazy.
I mean, I already peeped it, but you can always fix it.
I'm also filming
You know?
while filming.
I brought an extra battery.
Okay, he needs it.
My camera is dying. Okay. That's enough.
Anyway, we have news. Drum roll, please.
We are going to Sweden.
It'll be our first time going out of the country, and as a
Ever.
baby does not count.
No.
Okay, if you don't remember it, it never happened.
No.
Yeah.
Or yeah.
That's a horrible thing. Anyway, yeah, we are going out of the country for the first time. We're going to be meeting up with Alexandra from Alexandra's Garn.
Mhm.
Were you like mouthing as I was mouthing?
I just said Alexandra.
Oh, okay. I saw your lips move. And wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah, we're going there and we're gonna spend the entire time there with her, and it's gonna be so much fun. What are we gonna do?
Wait, no. Why did we choose
Yeah,
Sweden?
I
Let's
forgot
go
that.
from
I'm
the
sorry,
inception.
I was,
okay.
I was speed running.
So we wanted to take a trip sometime this year. First of all, that trip was supposed to be 2020, but we already know what happened in 2020. Okay, so we're like, okay, it is time to take a nice, large, long trip, and we're like, yeah, I say large. Yeah, it doesn't make sense, but whatever. We're like, where should we go? And we're talking with our dad, and he was like, why don't you guys?
Wait,
No,
we were
you're skipping
like,
stuff.
we should
telling
go. We should go to Greece because we always want we've always
No,
wanted.
before that, we're like, oh, yeah, I can't believe we're turning 25. Like, that's crazy.
Oh, yeah,
And
we're
then
like,
our
we
dad
should
was
have a
like, you
birthday
guys should
trip.
go. He was like, why don't you guys go out the country for your birthday? And we're like, oh. And then,
And then we were like, ooh, let's go to Greece because we've always wanted to go to Greece for so long, and so it was just perfect to go to
Our
Greece.
dad went to Greece, right?
Yeah.
So it's like, that's
and so we were
perfect.
like, ooh, we're gonna go to Greece.
I keep looking up there instead of the camera.
I always look up there. I just like looking at myself. And then our dad was like,
and then
hold on.
Don't you have a friend in Sweden?
Don't you have a friend in Sweden? Why would it want to
Sweden.
Okay, that's not how it went. He was just like,
Yeah.
hey,
Why don't you guys go visit your friend in Sweden?
She's
And
like,
we
in
were
Sweden,
like-
right? And we're like,
Oh yeah, that would be great.
that's perfect.
That would be great.
You're so ugly. So then we immediately reached out to Alexandra, and then we've been planning this trip since June.
Yep.
So
And now
Finally.
we're finally going.
finally,
Yeah.
September arrives, and we're having a September trip.
Yep.
Yep.
It's gonna be so much fun.
And now you can talk about
Alright.
the plan.
Now we can talk about.
Oh, yeah, now we can talk
first
about
of all,
the plans.
Alexandra has a whole itinerary.
Since
okay?
the moment we told her,
Right,
Yeah,
she was
literally
like, started
this
planning
same day.
immediately. It wasn't even final.
No.
We didn't even have a plane ticket, or we didn't even book a hotel. And
Nope.
she was
She was
just
like, this
planning,
next
that,
day,
planning.
perfect. Boom.
She
I-
gave us a whole Google
love
Google
it.
Doc.
Because
Yes.
that's what we do.
Stuff.
We like planning, we like lists, we like stuff like that. So it was just like perfect.
Right?
Oh my gosh. And yeah, so we want to talk about because I have a list of things I want to get from yarn stores and stuff while we're there.
Mhm.
So what are we gonna do exactly? I don't know exactly what we're gonna do day to day. I know we're gonna go to coffee shops and all of that. And
okay, that wasn't it. So we're going to go on like ferry rides. We're going to go on train rides. We're going to visit. I forgot the museums, and I forgot the name of the theme park, but we will probably
bro, I didn't look at anything.
We'll probably go to like a theme park, so we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. We're
going to Denmark and Norway.
We'll probably visit some castles there too, like some of the castles.
Yeah, but yeah, we're going to Denmark. We're going to Norway.
Oh yeah. And okay, we're mainly there because we want the yarn. Okay, all of the yarn.
Honestly, let's be honest.
Like, come on,
yarn, and we have a list. I have a list. Okay, let's get to the list. I don't know if Malika has a list. Do you have a list?
I just want kind of.
I have a list of like the yarns that I want, but like.
Let me show you.
Anyway, it's going to be cold, which is amazing because right now we live in California. We live in California, and it's
the high is 102 degrees right now.
Yeah, like the previous days, it's been 108,
106.
For the Europeans, that's like 40 to 42 Celsius.
So yeah, it's been hot. So it's gonna be so amazing going and feeling cool weather.
Feeling like it's actually gonna be like fall.
Yeah,
you know, they get fall super early. I'll take that. We don't get fall till December.
Bro, literally.
If we get it.
Like we don't have a winter. We have a fall that's continuous.
Yeah.
Like dang. Anyway, I have my list. Okay. So it's not that long, but it's kind of long. Okay. So first of all, yarn. I have wanted to do the marble sweater by Petite Knit for so long, so I'm gonna get yarn from there for the marble sweater because I've just been wanting it. I'm like, you know what, let me just do it. Okay, so yarn for the marble sweater, and this isn't even including like all of the yarn period that I'm gonna end up getting. This is just specific things that I am definitely going to get. So yarn for the marble sweater. Then we are going to be doing a chunky dahlia while we're there in Sweden. Alexandra's going to teach us how to like read charts and everything. So that'll be my first lace project, first lace sweater, reading a chart, all of that. I'm going to film everything. We're going to film everything. So don't worry.
Yeah.
So I'm going to get yarn for the chunky dahlia while we're there. And then I need 7mm needles for that project. I have some now, but I'm just going to get some while I'm there, as well as some other needles, but I'll get to that because this list is out of order. Okay. Anyway, so getting those needles. I'm gonna get some Isaiah yarn. Everyone talks about it all the time. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get some Lana Gatto yarn. I'm gonna get the new Licca metal needle set that came out. Kalila has it. I need it. So I'm gonna get it. I think you're getting it too, right?
Yeah. You are?
The
metal set?
I guess so.
You said
she's like,
I'll just get it.
Oh, okay. And then I want to get some books, okay? So I want to get a Lina book. I want to get a pom-pom book. And I want to get Nora Gaughan's knitted cable source book. It's all about cables.
Just like a book of cables?
Yeah. Who did I watch? Jonathan's Days?
I think so.
I think he said something about that book, and yeah. So I also want to get a mood bag, the MUUD.
I'm getting that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
That's so I want to get that immediately.
Right?
Like,
we need to
I want that for
exactly. Yeah. I need a nice little bag. Okay. That's not a project bag, and it's something like it's a project bag, but it's a bag that you can just bring to different events and stuff. You know, still look nice and classy, but also have your yarn in it. You know. And then I want to get some Lang yarn for the Louisiana sweater because Malika convinced me to do a bunch of Louisiana sweaters. So, and that yarn, Cloud, Lang yarn, Cloud, beautiful. Every colorway, amazing. So I'm excited for that. So I'm going to try some of that out. And then while I'm there, the last thing, I'm going to get a 9-inch circular needle set because...
There's a set?
Yeah, you can get Chow Gu 9-inch
circular set?
Like, yeah. Girl, have you not been watching these podcasters? A lot of people have been getting them, so I'm like, I need that.
Who have you been watching?
Karsley Handmade.
That's why.
Yeah, Karsley Handmade. I'm pretty sure Kreya Bea. Did Kreya Bea?
I don't think she.
No, her latest episode. Have you seen it?
Yes.
No. Did she not get those?
No,
Were those not shorties?
I didn't see it.
She didn't show it. She talked about it as a gift.
I didn't see it. The one that she just came out like a few days ago.
Oh, you didn't see that
I didn't
episode?
see that.
Okay,
No,
I think she might have talked about it. Someone else did too.
Oh,
Either way,
that'll be.
I watched so many people, I just don't remember. But yeah,
I won't even need it. I have so many already.
9-inch circulars.
Yeah.
Well, do you have a
set,
6
like, for
millimeter
sleeves?
9-inch?
Wait, how big does it go?
It's a set. It goes from like.
Yeah, I know, but like what size? Because
I
some
don't know.
sets
I have
just
to
go
find
to
it.
like 6 millimeter.
Do you have that? I need that.
have
Do
to
you have
find
it?
it.
I've been searching.
Anyway, let's see the things that I'm gonna get. Okay.
Oh yeah, that was it.
This is just yarn. So all the other stuff she talked about, like needles, I don't need needles. I'll get 7 millimeter needles for the chunky dolly and all that. Anyway, I want
So you do need needles.
Svini, which is Isaiah's fingering weight yarn, plus their silk mohair.
Ooh, definitely that mohair.
It's just for a random sweater, so I'm gonna get like a sweater quantity of each one.
yeah.
I want Koos and tin silk
Ooh,
mohair.
everyone talks about Koos.
Yeah, that's the yarn for the chunky dahlia.
Oh,
Yeah,
but I guess
so
I'm
I'll
getting
get
it too.
Koos and tin silk mohair for the chunky dahlia. And then I want Rauma Finilgam. I want
Ooh.
Hillisvag Tinda. I want Ask.
You want all those rustic yarns.
Alafaslopi. Yeah, I want all of those. We can get it from here if we order from overseas, but I'd rather I'm gonna be overseas, so I might as well. Malika, please.
Sorry.
Ooh, bars. Get it from overseas.
Oh,
Malika, please. Listen, you're over here standing like a statue. That's worse than what I just said, okay? Anyway, yeah, so I want to get all of those nice yarns. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, Alafaslupe. They're like, it's so scratchy. I'm like, please. Thank you, but no thank you for your opinion on it. I will try it out for myself. I'm not someone who turns away yarn based on how it feels against my skin, you know, because I don't care if it bothers me. I'm gonna wear it until it doesn't bother me, you know, because that's just
train the brain.
Train the brain, exactly. So I'm excited to try out those yarns. But those are the yarns that I really want to look for. But of course, our eyes will be turned to every single kind of yarn. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go to a yarn shop that has the yarn, hand-dyed yarn that it uses.
Oh my. Let me show you guys.
Oh my gosh.
Because she definitely butchered that, but that's
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
They'd be like, what?
Right?
Sizzlerigets.
Yeah.
This company right here. Can you guys see that?
Turn your brightness down.
Is my brightness too high?
Get your face out of it, Malika. Get your face out of it.
Okay, we'll just have a
Tap
screenshot so you guys can see.
Yeah. What are you getting, Malika?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, Malika doesn't care
I'm
about
just
yarn
on
and
the
stuff. Like she literally
she
just
likes
gets whatever.
yarn. She's not like a yarn lover, connoisseur.
Right, where she's like,
obsessed.
oh, I want this kind of yarn, that kind of yarn. She'll be like, she'll look at a pattern and say, what kind of yarn do I use for this? And we'll just tell her the yarn. She'll be like, okay, and then gets it. Just like, girl.
Like, no.
Yeah.
Come on.
You have to
live it. Like, literally. What was the other day? What were we talking about? And she said, what is that?
Oh my gosh.
I screenshotted it because
that's
funny.
Isaiah?
Yeah.
We're talking about the yarn?
She said, who is that?
She said, who is that? We're like,
what do you mean, who?
fake knitter.
Who is Isaiah?
Isaiah.
She doesn't even watch podcasters.
No. She just knits
when I want to.
when she wants to.
Videos.
Yeah, she's not like us two. We're avid knitters. Malika's a casual. Nothing wrong with that.
Casual
But
yarn
I'm just
lover.
glad she still gets excited with us, you know, because that's all that matters.
My yarn's coming in today instead of tomorrow.
Oh, that's
so
nice.
So you're gonna get started on it?
Heck yeah.
Wait, what yarn is it again?
Drops Andes.
Oh,
for the
Drops
Louisiana
Andes
side.
is so nice. All right, but that's all
think
that
that's
I'm
it.
getting from. Oh, and we're gonna go to Norway and Denmark. That's gonna be so much fun.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be train ride galore.
But yeah, we're gonna be filming everything. We're not gonna be posting a lot in September because we're just gonna be filming and just keeping the content, editing it, and then you guys will get a lot of content in October, like the end of September and October.
Yeah.
So be prepared for that. And I think that's it, honestly.
Yeah, we just wanted to tell you guys that we're going to Sweden, what we plan to do, and then what we plan to get. For me, I just plan to enjoy the trip and get whatever I think is cute, so I don't have a list.
I need a list. I love lists.
Me too.
Yeah, this is chaotic as usual, a little unorganized, but that's just us. You guys will get the real us, and that's just how it is, because that's how we are in real life. So
thank you guys so much for watching.
Oh dang, that was
you will see a nice vloggy vlog.
Oh yeah, we'll post a vlog here too.
Yeah, we can post multiple.
Yeah, vlogs.
Yeah, so you guys will be updated with this channel and our individual channels, so either way you guys will be updated and with what we're doing. So yeah,
that's it.
That's all we have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Let us know what you worked on, if you worked on anything while watching this announcement video. We would love to know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and click that notification bell because it will notify you guys whenever we post another video.
And we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Bye.